Hey guys, what's going on? Just going to do a quick analysis here on Cardano. Ticker for this is ADA, and I'm currently on the weekly time frame. This one's trading quite technically. So the first thing I want to show you is where we are on the chart and where we're potentially getting this turnaround, right? So we have a potential triple bottom here, and getting a bounce back at this level does have some significance, right? So I'm going to take a Fibonacci. I'm going to run it from the swing low all the way down here up to the swing high. And what you'll see where we're getting the support is at the 50% retracement level, right? So putting in a potential triple bottom here right at the 50% level is actually a sign of strength. Now, as of right now, we haven't changed the trend as we're not putting in higher highs and higher lows at the moment. We are kind of in a range, right? So the current range is this is the high of the range, this is the low of the range, and this is the midpoint, right? So when you identify these ranges, it makes it quite easy to trade, right? So as the price comes up here, one can look for short positions. As it comes back down to the midline, that could be a area to buy. And if the price comes all the way back down here, that's going to be your best buy area, right? So keep that in mind and mark these levels on your chart. So this level right here is 0.2346. So if you have that in your chart and the price does collapse all the way down here, that may be a good opportunity to enter a long position, right? The top of the range I have marked out at about 42 cents, so 0.4229. And you'll see this was the support level right here. And this was also the 382 Fibonacci retracement level. Let me do that one more time just to confirm that. So swing low up to the swing high. And yeah, this is the 382. So for quite a while, for several months, this 382 was holding as a support level. However, when we broke down, it's almost like a magnet. We came right down to the 50% level, and that's where we are right now. 3 bounces off the 50% and coming up to the top of this range. Also, as you can see here, we put in a falling wedge formation. So we had this downsloping level of resistance, this downsloping level of support. We recently broke out of it, and we retested it not once but twice, right? So the first retest was right here. We flipped this level of resistance into a support, and the second time was right here. See how we have this long wick all the way down to the top of this support line, right? So things are looking pretty good on Cardano. What I would want to see, like for example, right now being at the top of this range, I'm not looking to take any short to mid-term long positions until we start closing weekly candle bodies above this line, right? So above the 42-cent region, that's where I take this chart a little bit more seriously, and then I would look to these higher targets, right? We did have a deviation right here. So if we start closing weekly candle bodies above here, I will place a stop loss below this 42-cent range. And then, yeah, this is going to be the first area I target right here. I have this drawn in a zone, and I'll show you why in a second. But the start of the zone is around 57 cents all the way up to 60 cents. Okay, so this is going to be the first major level of resistance that I anticipate we're going to deal with, where a lot of sellers are going to come in. Next level beyond that is a range from about 77 cents, so 0.7781. all the way up to 82 cents, so 0.8296. Beyond that, we have the start of the range at $1.13, all the way up to $1.23. Now, the way I got these levels is kind of a combination between the Fibonacci retracement and the price action, right? So the first level of this range is based on the price action. So you see that was the high of these candle bodies right here, and again, these candle bodies right here. The top of the range is a Fibonacci retracement level, right? So I'm going to take the fib, run it from the swing high this time, all the way down to the swing low, and that's going to give me these levels. So the top of this range, as I mentioned, is 60 cents, and that's the 382 retracement level. Top of this range is 50%, and that's 82 cents. And again, similar to down here, the lower end of this range is based on the price action, so that is based on the low of these candle bodies right here. Next level up, the 618 aligns right at the top of these candle bodies right here, and it was kind of like the support zone here. And then the 65, the top of the golden pocket range, aligns with these candle bodies right here. So this is the Fibonacci golden zone, and I'll typically draw this out as a range as well. Okay, so those are the prices on the way up, but as of right now, we have a very tradable range here, top of the range, mid of the range, low of the range. So just mark this on your chart, and being at the top of the range, but still below the resistance, I'm not about to enter any short to mid-term long positions, just considering where we are on the chart. However, pullback here is a buying opportunity, and if we come back all the way down to the range lows, that's a very, very good buying opportunity there. Likewise, if we start closing weekly candle bodies above here, that's a good long opportunity up to these higher targets. Now, also, if you're going to trade Cardano, I'd recommend that you draw this level on your chart just in case we have some sort of black swan event and the whole market dumps. You can look to this area, about 17 cents, based on the resistance level here and the resistance level here. If the price comes back down, breaks this low of this range, look to 17 cents to be an amazing buying opportunity. However, I don't really think we're gonna come down there. I think this 50% retracement level is likely going to hold the low of the range, and I'm actually anticipating a break of this 42-cent region to come up to these higher targets. But yeah, Cardano looks really good. Actually, out of most of the altcoins I've looked at, although it seems really bad to come from almost $3 all the way back down here to 23 cents, in terms of the percentage dropped and the Fibonacci retracement, getting support, a potential triple bottom at the 50% is actually quite healthy. I know it's crypto, it's crazy, but yeah, compared to the other altcoins, this one has actually held up a little bit better. So yeah, those are the levels. If you found this helpful, smash the like button. If you want to get notified when I release new content, click subscribe, click the bell, click on all. If you click away without doing that, you're probably not going to be able to find the channel again in the future just because it's relatively new, low subscriber count, and because of that, I'm not really prioritizing the search algorithm. So if you like the content and you want to get updated, make sure to click subscribe. Also, if you want a place to trade Cardano and pretty much any of the other coins I talk about on this channel, I put the link to 3 different exchanges in both the pinned comment and the description. All 3 of the exchanges are offering you guys bonuses for signing up. 2 of them require a KYC process, but 1 of them doesn't. So if you don't want to submit any documents, BingX is the one you want to look at. And you may need a VPN to access all 3 of them, just depending on your location. So I also put a link to a promotion on a VPN in the pinned comment and description as well. All right, guys, hopefully you found that helpful. Take care. Have a good day. Bye.